fans, and welcome to another video. In today's video, we visited Tweetsie Railroad and took 2 on-ride POVs of the new roller coaster by SBF, Barrels of Fun. I was joined by Trip, and he helped shoot a wrist cam video, and then we shoot a chest cam video. So there'll be 2 exclusive videos in this one POV, which will be separate from the Tweetsie Railroad vlog, which will be posted later. I hope you guys enjoy these 2 POVs. We really enjoyed this new coaster. Very fun. Lots of twistiness and lots of spinning to it. Kind of remind me a lot of the roller coaster in Texas that I did at Austin's Thrill Park. So it was lots of fun. I enjoyed it. Seems like Trip really enjoyed it too. And we look forward to doing it sometime soon. So that was my 340th coaster credit. I'll have to say it was a great coaster, and I can't wait to try it out again. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. If you have been on this coaster yet, if you look forward to trying it, let us know in the comment section. Notification bell so you don't miss any more content coming to you soon, because the full vlog from Tweetsie Railroad will be coming soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you all enjoy, and we'll see y'all next time. Hey guys, welcome to Adventure Coaster Vlogs. We're getting ready to ride Barrels of Fun, which is the new roller coaster at Tweetsie Railroad. Let's do this.
Hi. They're falling.
Whoa. Whee.
Oh, God.
Oh God. Oh goodness. Oh God.
Oh God.
Oh God. It's a little crazy. Whee.
So it's crazy. Holy moly!
Oh!
Holy moly! Oh God! Wait.
Guess you go around a couple times.
I'm getting paid.
All right, let's go one more time. Whoa, hands up!
I
this thing
can't.
spins. Oh God! Whoa! Here. Okay.
I'm trying to get steady, but it keeps like.
All right, let's go.
You got the better from the down. You can one more time.
Basically 5 rides in one.
It's something, cause.
Maybe go around one more time.
Oh God. Here's credit number 6.
That's when you spin.
Credit number 6.
Hey, this thing's actually pretty fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this POV. Barrels of Fun. Yes.
Oh God! Holy moly!
What, you go around like 10 times? Oh. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Okay, welcome to another POV. This time it's with the chest mount. We're in the front row this time.
Yay!
And I wanted to give a shout out to Andrew from Park Rovers for letting him use his chest mount because... Alright, let's do this. This is our second ride on it. Why is a roller coaster doing this? Well, it's not supposed to do that. Whoa. Oh.
It's a tiny roller coaster, but it's really fun. And you're in a barrel, that's why they call it Barrels of Fun. But that's at least why I think they do.
Oh, goodness.
Holy moly! Holy moly! Like a boat!
That's it.
Oh, we got stuff.
I hope you guys enjoyed this front seat POV chest mount
No, you
GoPro
We stopped.
of